Good morning, everyone. In the last class, we studied about chemical properties of metals and non-metals. Okay, how do metals and non-metals react with oxygen and water? In today's class, we will study how do metals and non-metals react with acids and bases. Before starting today's class, बच्चे, I want to tell you कि I am very much aware for those students who are copying assignment answers from the Google. They are writing 4 or 5 line answers. जबकि in the video, if you will watch it carefully, you will get answer up to the point in 1 line only. So it will create difficulty for you during examination to learn those 4 or 5 line answers, and that answers are inappropriate, but that is not up to the point. So watch the videos carefully, write the answers up to the point, and if you are not getting the answer, I am here to help you. You can ask me. Okay, so watch the video carefully and try to do the assignment by your own. Okay, now let's start with today's class कि how do metals react with acids. How do metals and non-metals react with acids? In general, when metals react with acids, they form salt and hydrogen gas is produced. This can be more clear when you will do activities. Okay, I will demonstrate you one activity. Okay, so take a test tube. What you will do, you will add some zinc granules. Zinc के कुछ pieces आप test tube में डालेंगे and add some hydrochloric acid into the test tube. What you will observe, a salt is formed, zinc chloride, and you will observe the formation of bubbles. Bubbles are formed due to the gas, and that gas is hydrogen. Okay, so whenever metal reacts with acid, they produce hydrogen gas and a salt is formed. So how do you come to know that the gas produced is hydrogen? How do you know? How do you know? You will take a burning matchstick or burning candle. Take that burning candle near the mouth of test tube. उस test tube का जो mouth है, opening है, you will bring that burning candle or burning matchstick near to its mouth. So as you will bring it, na, a pop sound will produce. Pop. This type of sound will produce. So this pop sound indicates that gas produced is hydrogen. Okay, you can do more activities by taking metals and other metals, and you can react them with hydrochloric acid. Like second, when aluminium is a metal, when you react with aluminium with hydrochloric acid, aluminium chloride, this is the salt name, aluminium chloride will form and hydrogen gas is produced. Magnesium, when reacts with hydrochloric acid, magnesium chloride salt plus hydrogen gas is produced. But when you take copper metal and you will mix it with hydrochloric acid, no reaction will take place, no gas bubbles will formed. कोई गैस की फॉर्मेशन नहीं है, कोई रिएक्शन नहीं हो रहा. इट मीन्स कॉपर डज नॉट रिएक्ट विद हाइड्रोक्लोरिक एसिड, बट वी हैव मोर एसिड्स ऑल्सो. ठीक है, फिर वी हैव टेकन सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड. जब हमने कॉपर को सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड के साथ रिएक्ट कराया तो कॉपर सल्फेट सॉल्ट विल बी फॉर्म्ड एंड हाइड्रोजन गैस इज प्रोड्यूस्ड. ओके, नाउ इफ यू टेक charcoal powder or sulfur powder, both are non-metals, and you will add some acid in it, you will observe that no reaction is taking place. कोई फॉर्मेशन नहीं हो रही बबल्स की, नो रिएक्शन इज टेकिंग प्लेस. इट मीन्स योर नॉन मेटल्स दे डू नॉट रिएक्ट विद एसिड्स. नॉन मेटल्स जो हैं वो एसिड्स के साथ रिएक्ट नहीं करते हैं. ओके, नाउ यू हैव ऑब्जर्व कि जो लेमन है, लेमन इज सॉर इन टेस्ट, मीन्स इट कंटेन एसिड्स. विनेगर and orange, your pickle, all these food items contain acids. जो चीज़ खट्टी होती है उसमें क्या होता है, acid present होता है. So these edible things that contain acids, they should not be stored in metal containers. पिकल्स को हम मेटल के कंटेनर्स में स्टोर करके नहीं रखते हैं. Why? Because pickle contain acid. Okay, when acid react with metal container, so it releases some harmful, some toxic substances also that may cause ill effects to your health. Therefore they should not be stored in metal containers. They are always stored in ceramic, or they are always stored in plastic containers. So to observe these effects, to observe these activities, let us watch one video.